Welcome to Mother-Daughter Projects. I'm Steph.
I'm Vicki.
Recently we had the opportunity to go to Tampa as a guest of the Home Depot and meet with 9 of the top outdoor tool brands.
We know this was a very unique opportunity that not a lot of people get to experience, so we were sure to take lots of videos so we could share with you what we learned.
So we're going to quickly go through all the brands that we saw and talk about some of our favorite tools that we saw at each booth.
First up is Riobe Outdoor Power Tools. Riobe has 2 battery platforms. They use 18 volt and 40 volt, and the 40 volt gives you more power and more runtime.
One of the standouts for us was the cordless hedge trimmer. They're the only company we saw at this event that had a hedge sweep feature that sweeps away debris as you trim the hedges.
Another one of my favorites is the self-propel battery-powered lawnmower. As you can see in the footage, this lawnmower is so powerful, I can do it one-handed.
It stops on a dime.
Yeah.
It does. That's nice. We also enjoyed learning about the Riobe attachment-capable power head, which allows you to add multiple accessories like stream trimmer, edger, cultivator, pole saw, and more.
New to us was the Ego brand. They had 30 plus tools in their 56 volt rechargeable battery line. We were really impressed with the feel of these tools and their attention to customer feedback.
One of the biggest complaints in the outdoor tool industry is customers having a hand roll string in their string trimmers. Here you can see Ego solve this problem with the power load feature on their new carbon fiber shaft string trimmer. Just feed it in the line, press a button, and done. My favorite has to be the backpack blower. This is one of the most powerful blowers we saw at 600 CFMs and one of the quietest. With the motor and battery on the back, it's really well balanced, quiet, and light. And you know what?
What?
I felt like a superhero wearing that.
And you know what? You look like one today.
Did I?
Yeah!
Super Steph.
The next 2 we visited were Milwaukee and DeWalt. Both are fairly new to the outdoor tool market, but it's an easy buy-in for users who already own their power tools and their batteries. The Milwaukee blower and hedge trimmer were light and well balanced, but really packed some power.
DeWalt just added a chainsaw to their collection of growing outdoor tools. We own the leaf blower and have been really pleased with its performance over the years. 2 brands with a long history but continue to innovate were Cub Cadet and John Deere. I got to ride the yellow mower and jokingly mowed Mom down. It was also my first chance to drive a zero-turn riding mower. You may have seen these before used by professional lawn care. I tried out 3 of them at this event and they take a little time to learn, although by the time I drove the John Deere, I was doing pretty good. As you know, we mostly use battery power tools, but we did get a chance to meet with the Echo brand, who makes primarily gas power tools. This tool has several attachments you can buy, including a string trimmer, blower, and the really cool paddle attachment you can see behind me on the board. We didn't get a chance to see it in action, but we did check it out in some YouTube videos. It's really versatile for a lot of lawn care chores.
Next up is Honda. Have you heard of Honda? I'm sure you've seen a few of their cars on the road. We could not believe how quiet their 2200 generator was. It can power microwaves, TVs, computers, and a refrigerator. It's very portable and can run up to 8 hours on a single tank of gas.
Lastly, we got to see Toro lawnmowers in person. These were the most impressive of the gas mowers we saw. The highlight was a feature called Personal Pace, which shows how fast or slow you're walking and adjusts the mower to your stride. It also has a power reverse that's effortless. There's also an anti-vibration feature that helps protect your arms. Bonus, it folds for storage. You might be wondering how a gas engine can be stored on its side. Well, it's a specially designed engine just available in Toro mowers. So Mom, what are 3 of your favorite picks?
I can only pick 3?
Only 3.
Only 3.
Only 3.
Well, I'm going to start with that Riobe 40 volt lawnmower. I love that. I love the self-propelled feature.
Yeah.
I love that Ego string trimmer that has that automatic winder. I like the Riobe pressure washer. And my bonus pick would be their new generator.
Bonus pick?
Bonus pick!
Well, okay. Okay, well I would say all the 3 you said, but then the backpack blower by Ego, of course, that was awesome. The Riobe hedge trimmer I thought was cool, a cool innovation. Also, I don't need it because I have a small yard, but the John Deere Zero Ride mower was spot on and I want to mow someone's lawn with that. Oh, I would say the Toro personal pace in their lawnmower, that was a really neat feature, so that would be my bonus.
So, of the tools that you saw that we presented, what is your favorite? What caught your eye?
Let us know in the comments below. And we just wanted to remind you that this video is something that we wanted to share with you guys. This isn't sponsored, although Home Depot did send us to the event, which was amazing and awesome, but we wanted to just share that information with you guys. So if there's more videos you want to see from us, be sure to visit us at motherdaughterprojects.com and subscribe right here on YouTube. Click the bell and you'll be alerted to all our new videos.
The Ego brand is sold exclusively at the Home Depot, and if you do not believe in electric power, the Home Depot will allow you to sort of try it before you buy it. They offer a 90-day satisfaction guarantee, so you can buy the lawnmower, take it home, use it, cut your grass, and if you don't believe in it, if it doesn't have the power, you can bring it back to Home Depot, no questions asked.